Guys, Surfshark is taking over the internet just like a real shark, and I'm going to tell you exactly why and how you can get involved by hitting that link down below and getting the most exclusive deal of VPNs on the net right now. So let's get straight in. So guys, one of the biggest reasons why I like Surfshark is because you can get this on any device at all. Okay, I've got it on my iPad, my laptop, my TV, my PlayStation, everything. Now, we use VPNs to browse privately, especially Surfshark, change your IP. So maybe you want to watch on Netflix, maybe you want to watch on Amazon, but if you're in a different country, for example, I'm in France right now, you can actually change it, which I'll show you on the app later on, and change it so you can watch their library. Pretty cool, right? But what you want to do is make sure you're protected. So travel securely around the world, making sure you're protected. And guys, you are going to get the most incredible deal by hitting that link down below. But first, I want to show you everything it includes. It has the unlimited device plan, okay? All advanced security features, 30-day money-back guarantee, no logs policy, high-speed delivery. It's trusted by nearly everyone on the planet, okay? This is what it looks like on all devices. I'm actually going to show you on mine right now, okay? But it is the fastest VPN right now. So guys, let me know if you're excited in the comments, and I'm going to show you what Surfshark actually looks like. Guys, this is what it looks like. Super user-friendly, and you actually get the extension up the top as well if you want to just do a quick connect, open it, or if you also want to quit it. Now guys, really cool. All you got to do is click quick connect. What that'll do is connect you to the country you're in, but make sure it's secure online. Now, that works for most people, okay? So you stay secure online. It doesn't matter about choosing a different country. If you want to stay hidden, if you want to be in a complete different country, then just simply scroll down the location. So for example, let's go with Ghana. Okay, you can go with Ghana now, and it will try and connect to Ghana. It's going to try up to 8 times. Now, the reason it does that is because things like Netflix and Amazon, see how fast that connected, block the IP addresses. So what you want to do if it does that is just change the IP. Super easy. You can either go to static IP and choose one inside of the country. So if you want one inside of Japan, click on that. Or if you want to go to multi-hop and jump between 2 different countries, you simply can. So United to Germany, easily like that. So you're going from the United Kingdom to Germany using both their utilized servers of VPNs. Guys, it's super, super easy. I can't make it any more easy than that. If you want to play around with the settings, all right, go on here, VPN settings. But what I'll do is make sure you're comfortable, go online, go through the whole website, even the settings in the FAQs page, and make sure you're comfortable with what the settings mean, because you want to have the best experience online. I would always have your kill switch on. That is number 1. Everything apart from that, you should be okay. And that's as easy as it is, guys. You can pause it, disconnect it whenever you want, choose the time you want to pause it for, or just carry on using it all times. I do recommend always having this on. Okay, it'll be up there and you'll see the mark if it's going to be on. So guys, that's how user-friendly it is. Now, let me take you to the price. If you hit that link down below, everything I've spoke about, you're going to get for the most incredible price. But you only get it on onlyvpns.net, where we show off all the best VPNs. But today we're showing off Surfshark because it's incredible. So hit that link and I'll see you there in 1 second. So guys, what you want to do after you've hit that link is hit Get VPN Deal, okay? And you're going to see an incredible deal on the 24-month subscription. Guys, just a touch. If you want the 1-month subscription, you're not going to save anything, okay? If you go on the 12-month, you will save 69%. Hitting that link down below with the 30 money back guarantee. But on the 24 months, the one you should be choosing, you're going to get it for €2.30. That's cheaper than this can of pop, okay? And you're going to get 2 months for free, guys. That cannot be matched. It's only with that link down below. So please, please make sure you hit the OnlyVPNs link down below to get this exclusive deal. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comments if you're going to get Surfshark. Please hit that link for onlyvpns.net and hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time. Have fun with your VPN.